Siguro sunflower.
Why?
Kasi nakakita na ng liwanag.
Oh! Love her.
Oh my God, yes! Maraming salamat sa pagpunta sa grand launch at cinema screening ng Lavender Fields. In behalf of ABS-CBN and Dreamscape Entertainment, we welcome you sa concise, edited cinema version ng Lavender Fields. Ibig sabihin, all of us who are in this cinema has the privilege and the advantage of watching the first episode of our newest teleserye, Lavender Fields. Let me tell you a short story how Lavender Fields came about. Okay? Our beloved head ng Dreamscape Entertainment, si Sir Deo Andrenal, he loves flowers and he loves tablescapes. In fact, he traveled all the way to London to study flower arrangements, and he collects plates for his tablescapes, okay? And then in his house, sa bar niya, may neon sign doon na nakalagay, "Who are you when you're not watching? Who are you when no one's looking?" Okay? At more or less, nung nagkukwento si Joel, how the story came about, doon nagsimula yung kwento ng Lavender Fields. Kaya mapapanood nyo mamaya, the flower farms of Atok Benguet, the hills of Tagaytay would be the setting of this teleserye. And also, the line in his bar that says, "Who are you when no one's looking?" became one of the major premise of the film. So sana magustuhan nyo ang bagong handog ng Dreamscape Entertainment at ng ABS-CBN Studios in partnership with Netflix. Mapapanood po natin ang Lavender Fields on August 30 sa Netflix. So yung mga subscribers ng Netflix dyan, please watch it on August 30. And then mapapanood din po natin on August 31 sa iWant TFC and on September 2 sa Free TV, sa Channel 5. So, I hope you're going to enjoy ang pinakahuling The Grandest teleserye ng taon. Pagyayabang na namin. Lavender Fields. Happy viewing, everyone. Thank you.
I want to thank all the people I work with dito sa show and sa Dreamscape for actually offering me the role of Tyrone and Arthur, because I had no expectations. And I was really blown away. I might as well have, sana nagkaroon na lang expectation. Because watching the final product was just amazing. So I want to thank my directors for, just having the vision talaga. And we all shared the same thing. It's nice to be in working with a group who share the same energy and share vision. And that's what I got. So, ang feeling ng pagbalik mo, gano'n, and then ABS, like, buhay ulit yung relationship namin. It never died naman, but, coming back to ABS felt like coming back to home. And then, having our friends here watch it, and then it's such a great show, I'm not kidding, I'm so proud of it. I feel like I made the best decision this year.
Yes!
So, thank you very much. It's the best time to, to just, one word na lang, para matandal ako eh. I don't want to turn my back on my artist again. And this is it, full embrace. Yeah. And this is the best thing to share with.
When it was first offered to me, I think yung isa sa mga bagay na nagpa-yes sa akin sa project is it's new. It's something that I haven't done before. And ako kasi parang I always welcome challenges. And parang I feel na parang when I begin to doubt myself, whether if I could do or I could do it or not, parang the more na nanggigigil ako na hindi, kailangan ko siyang gawin. So, yun yung una. And then the next is, how do I prepare? So, we did a lot of training. We did a lot of strength and conditioning because we don't want anyone to get injured naman on set. Isa lang yun dun sa maraming component na kailangan mong gawing preparation for the role. Kasi may physical aspect ka, there's also the emotional aspect, your relational aspect to your co-actors, diba, sa roles nila. And a lot of psychological aspect also. So you have to do a lot of parang digging, anong nangyari. Kung may mga missing na parang bagay, trabaho mo as an actor na i-fill in yung blanks or fill in the gaps, hindi ba? And a lot of talking and meeting and collaboration with everyone, from our creative team to our directors, even to my co-actors na we discuss our scenes, paano natin gusto to gawin. So mahaba siyang proseso. So part yun ng preparation before mo gawin yung, let's say, yung scene. Kung meron mga nasaktan, ay oo. And ito na yata yung parang nagkapasa-pasa na ako dito left and right. Parang every time na uuwi ako sa bahay, parang may bago akong baon. Baong pasa. Ganon. Pero it's all part of the job. So, and I'm just really thankful na I got to do this with these wonderful people. I'm just grateful. My heart is full.
Well, syempre, I'm so grateful talaga for all the projects I've done here. As in, grabe talaga yung level of commitment and creativity and collaboration natin dito sa Dreamscape and especially sa ABS-CBN. And I owe so much to like the 3 years pa lang ako dito, nakapamilya. And grabe yung mga nakakatrabaho ko, yung mga karakter na nagampanan ko. And sobra yung pagpapasalamat ko, especially to Sir Deo, na talagang, you know, he really trusted me and took me under his wing and made me a part of the Dreamscape family. So I'm so grateful. And at the same time, I'm also so grateful to my former network kasi doon ako nag-umpisa from zero. Kasi sila yung naghirap sa akin na mga, wala talagang alam sa ginagawa ko. So I'm so grateful to all the creatives I worked with there and the directors I worked with there. And every experience, every project na nadaanan ko since nag-umpisa ako has contributed to who I am today. At patuloy akong natututo sa mga nakakatrabaho ko. At sa inyo din, sa mga fans, dahil yung mga komento nyo, yung mga reaction nyo, yun din talagang nag-inspire sa amin na talagang pagbutihan pa sa trabaho.
Hindi binubuo yung routine sa set. Binubuo yun ng stunt director namin prior to the scene na kukunan. So, naglalaan talaga kami ng time for rehearsal. Para din, go ahead, bro.
No. I was just telling them how you wanted to start the Zumba before mag-take kami. Nagzo-Zumba kami lahat. Just to warm up.
Sa'yo. Led by Jody.
The Diamond Star. Bye-bye dancer. Bye-bye dancer. Ganun muna kami. Bago kami sumalang. Para alam mo yung circulation. Ganun.
Sample daw, sample.
Shake, bye-bye dancer. Ay, kumando. Sige na.
Siya yung leader namin. Hindi ko maka. It feels, parang different. It's like you're watching, a film or a series na hindi ikaw yung nag-play na actor.
May ganun?
I mean, ganun siya nag-strike sa akin because I don't really watch my, yung pag nagpe-playback after ng mga scenes, hindi ako nanonood.
Sa monitor, hindi na?
Oo, kasi naiilang ako.
Okay.
So parang hinig ko, parang ginod naman ni Netflix, so I trust okay naman yung So ngayon, pag binuo mo na siya, pinagdikit-dikit mo na siya, kasi parang pieces of puzzle yan eh.
Right.
Pag ginagawa namin, hindi naman namin siya sinushoot chronologically. Pero ngayon, pag nakita mo yung may mga moments na parang shocks, parang it's as if hindi mo alam na yun yung mangyayari. Parang bago sa'yo lahat, ang fresh.
It's a mix of personal and I guess with the experience of sa lahat ng tao na noon dito, I guess we should also ask them how enjoyable it is to see the performances on a much bigger screen. Na-enjoy niyo ba lahat? Masarap, di ba? Masarap panoorin yung performances ng lahat na nakita mo sa big screen. But for me this year, my wish was to see my face on a big screen, and thank you, Lord.
Eto na!
But yeah, like you know, like just watching it with everybody, and then you know, as artists, masarap pakiramdam na appreciate yung bawat kibot na ginagawa namin sa set. So we're just filled with appreciation, and of course, it's all about entertainment, and we're so entertained, excited, and thrilled. So thanks for the experience.
Sobrang saya. Tsaka, same as Ate Jody, na parang nakakalimutan mo din na ikaw yun, in a way. Na parang immersed ka sobra sa kwento, tapos sobrang action, tapos parang ako din napapatili eh. Pasensya na sa mga nasa likod ko, Miss Kylie. Pero sobrang exciting kasi to see it all parang in its final form.
Right.
Tapos na marinig na yung katabi mo na excite or parang ganun. Sobrang exciting. Tsaka ako, nainis talaga ako kay Tyrone kasi nakita ko yung mga pinagagawa niya habang nandun si Iris sa bahay. Ano ba to? Hindi ko na alam nararamdaman ko. Ang saya.
Alam mo, pressure, but you have to do your best.
Kasi
to come
andyan
up
siya.
with a big project. So, kailangan mong pagbutihin. Tapos nung nawala, bilang pet project niya nga yan, parang we offer him this project sa kanya.
Mhm.
So, alam naman natin na parang happy siya sa nang-come sa resulta ng Lavender Fields. So, Sir Deo, we offer this show to you.
Oo, not the usual revenge story. As the branding goes, the grandest, di ba? Ang challenge ni sa writing, ang dami na naging revenge dramas in the past. Paano mo pa gagawing ile-level up or gagawing grand yung pagiganting yun? So, yun yung kakaiba dito kasi iba yung gagawin ni Lavender Fields sa pagkuha ng mga nawala sa kanya. It's going to be grand.
Nininervous kami. Totoo yan. Pero nung nakita namin yung reaction nyo kanina, ng mga fans, yung mga friends, yung mga ganyan, natuwa kami kasi yung pinaghirapan namin, hindi na baliwala. Lalo na yung ni Jody dito dahil may mga si Jody dito, may mga action scenes ang anak ko dito eh. Oo, galing-galing niya. Kailangan niyo talagang panoodin.
Yeah, Julina.
Ako, parang minsan namamangha pa rin. Siguro dahil parang first time ulit sa akin yung ganito, nasa ibang generation agad. Pero sobra akong, kanina nung nanonood ako, parang bilang mahilig din ako manood ng mga drama series, parang namamangha ako na yung napapanood ko, ka-eksena ko lang kagabi, yung gano'n, yung energy din nila ay, kumbaga, totoo yon na hindi mo mabubuo ang storya nang hindi binibigay ng lahat ng miyembro yung energy nila. So, kung ano mang role yan, basta yung energy nandun ka sa moment na yon, maganda lalabas yung storya. Kaya, thankful, excited, at hindi ako makapaniwala na nasa Netflix siya dahil bilang fan din ng mga series ng Netflix, di ba? Lavender Fields nasa Netflix. Kaya thankful, grateful din.
Tulad nga lang sinabi ni Inay and ni Ate na syempre nagpapasalamat tayo, di ba? Kasi parang hindi biro yung pinagdaanan ng lahat habang nag-shoot ng serye. Napakahabang proseso, napakahabang development. Maraming nangyayari na lingid sa kaalaman ng nakararami. So pag nakita mo yung parang finished product, na parang wow, sobrang worth it pala talaga ng mga challenges na pinagdaanan. And parang bigla na lang ma-excite ka na parang ito yung i-share namin sa audience namin. And sana kung paano kami na-excite, sana yun din yung ma-feel ng audience. Sana ma-move sila, and I just really pray na maka-glean sila ng important life lessons sa ginawa namin. Thank you.
If I gained new followers here, you guys didn't make a mistake because I'm here to make you happy and entertain you. We have a really great show and I'm so kilig. I can't stop saying it. So to Joel and to Rondell, I just really want to thank these guys because they really work hard and they care about us and they listen to us. It's because of them that we have a great show.
Yep.
And then the rest, kami na nasa harap ninyo. So, it's a shame that you're gonna have to watch it again on a smaller screen. But we're so sure na kapag napanood niyo yun sa Netflix at sa lahat ng paborito niyong mga stasyon, may enjoy niyo pa rin yan. Mag-earphones na lang kayo.
Sobra yung pagpapasalamat ko sa fans kasi ako minsan yung parang huwag na kayong pumunta pero punta pa rin sila tapos dala pa ng picture, dala pa ng bulaklak, may pasalubong pa galing ibang bansa. So thank you po! Thank you everyone! Kasi yung iba dyan, hindi ko pa alam na mag-aartista ako. Alam na nila na mag-aartista ako kasi fans pa ni Mama at ni Mama Guy. So, salamat po talaga sa support at sa pagpunta. Iba din talaga yung effort na nandyan sila physically para manood at sumuporta. So, salamat po.
For me, it's a privilege po na makatrabaho mga magagaling na artista. And I'm also really blessed because I work very closely with Miss Jody and Miss Maricel with each of my scenes.
Naku, hindi ka ba kinabahan sa mga ganong eksena?
Yun nga po, grabe talaga yung preparation ko. Pagbabasa ko ng script to make sure na makakasabay talaga ako lalo sa standards ni Direk Manny po.
Oh my God!
So, ayun. I can't wait then to watch. So,
Hindi nga naman natin ko sa KRC rating natin kanina. Miguel? Ito naman suking na natin, MJ, di ba? Nag-anak na yun ni Juday, nagdalian mo.
Kinabahan po ako nung una po, pero as tumagal po yung show, mas in-accept po ako ng Lavender Fields na family po. And hindi na po ako kinakabahan. Except pag sila.
Ikaw nautan ka talaga, Direk Manny.
Thank you po kay Direk Manny po at kay Direk Jojo po sa pagtulong po ulit sa akin sa pagbabalik po naming apat.
Siyempre, dyan ang Lola Ojo Diaz mo to remind you, di ba? Every time.
Siyempre, lahat po kami kinabahan first, pero na-realize din namin na it's a great opportunity for us po. And just like Jana said, it's a privilege po na makatrabaho silang lahat. These actors and directors po.
Training ground to, di ba? Sa ilo kasi kayo na yung susunod. Crystal, ikaw naman, kamusta ang pagiging evil, dito, parang kontrabida dito?
Mahusay MJ, ano sa mga, di ba?
Grabe.
Well, syempre po nung una, I feel pressured kasi makakatrabaho ko with veteran actors. But nung pumunta na po ako ng set, I realized ko that they're all loving, sweet, humble, and kind, and just amazing people in general. And sobrang nakakatabag din po sa puso that the people I'm looking up to is now nakakasama ko na po. So maraming salamat po to my Cheesecake family for ABS-CBN and for giving me this opportunity po. Maraming salamat. Well, I started po very young, 3 years old. Yes. And first show ko po, Honesto, sa Dreamscape din po. And nasundan na Ikaw Lamang. And then I did my first lead sa Dream Dad, Ning Ning. And the last show I did po was Starla. And then after the pandemic, nag-break. Tapos nagbabalik dito sa Lavender Fields. And I'm glad I came back then as much more dedicated actress po. And in terms of my preparation, I try to read the script as much as I can and analyze the clues about my character. And I try to embody those traits po and give life to Mira.
Very far from my character talaga. I don't like revenge, I don't take revenge. But siguro kung magre-revenge talaga ako, siguro ngunguyain ko yung tao, gano'n. Tapos magiging dinosaur ako. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. But I guess the best form of revenge is to not give power to this pain or whatever was negative was inflicted towards you. Don't give it life, give it power, and just use it to become a better person. Or you can be the dinosaur and squish it when you bite it. But just please, can Jody answer the question?
Yes, please.
Kasi ikaw yung may revenge eh. Tanong natin kay Tita Maria ulit, naninipa na naman dito.
Pag si Mama, naku. No, I think the best form of revenge.
Personally
I think ano yan, just to ako parang sa akin, just to stay silent when somebody expects you to be enraged. diba, wag mong ibibigay yung gusto nila. Wag kang lumevel sa kung nasaan sila. Always choose the higher road. Always choose to be the bigger person.
So, layo kay Jasmine.
What about you? What about you, Iris? Hindi, kinuha na, in-intercept na natin si Popcorn.
Kasama ka ba sa press?
Oo, hindi pala ako. Ano masasabi niyo?
Ako, pareho lang kay Ate Jody. So tingin ko talaga, the best form of revenge is when you don't need revenge anymore. Parang okay ka na sa sarili mo, nalampasan mo na kung ano mang kasamaan ang ginawa nila sa'yo at pinagbutihan mo na lang ang sarili mo at mga desisyon mo. Parang hindi mo na sila kailangan lingunin. Parang yun na yung pinaka-best revenge.
Yeah. Pero that takes a lot of self-control, maturity, di ba? Hindi yun madali.
Bigay nyo na lang yan sa lamin.
Wish them well.
Yes! Prayers.
Kung papansin mo, in terms of genre, isa siya sa hindi ko pa talaga nagagawa. So parang gusto ko lang din siyang i-explore, tignan ko kung ano mangyayari kapag ginawa ko siya. Yun. So parang I think, if you're asking kung ano yung bago, I think kasi bagong genre siya for me. It's an action drama. Before kasi ginagawa ko either family drama, nakapag-rom-com na ako, horror, ganyan. So, I guess yun yung bago. Wala nang i-offer yan na bago na hindi namin nakita or hindi namin napanood. But then, kasi pwedeng, kung titignan mo, yung classification niya is revenge. But then, ano yung nakapaloob doon? So, it's a story, it's really a complex tale. There's love involved. There's duality involved there. And then, ang pinaka-importante is yung redemption aspect. Diba? Parang hindi ka naman mabubuhay lang or gugustuhin mo lang, papanganak ka para lang maghiganti. And sometimes, hindi yung paghihiganti mo, hindi naman para makasakit ka talaga ng tao. Yung paghihiganti na yun is gusto mo lang kunin yung para sa'yo.
Iba naman, kaya nga gusto ko to eh. Kasi iba. Na ma-happy ako dahil kasama ko si Jody at talagang napakagaling na dito. Sobra talaga siya galing dito, kaya kailangan mo talaga.
You're equally great, mga inay!
Siguro Sunflower.
Why?
Kasi nakakita na ng liwanag.
Oh my God!
Mic drop!
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Sunflower po! Kasi po gusto ko siya sinimero.
I'm just really very happy. On the professional side, I'm so happy to be with these guys, like right now. My team is here, they're so happy. I love them. But on the personal side, all of these people that I work with love her.
Oh my God, yes!
So, it just feels light, you know what I mean? Everything just feels light, if you know what I mean.
Yes.
So, we're professionals on set. We can joke about it off screen, but when we step there, so it's just like there's a really good balance.
Pag tumama yung araw yung kay Jasmine kasi yung pagiging positibo niya sa buhay, siya yung tipong karakter na parang walang masamang tinapay sa kanya. Kung makikita mo siya doon sa panahon ng buhay niya, prior niya nakilala si Arthur. Ano lang siya, parang masayahing tao. Simple. Si Lavender naman, nakaka-relate ako sa kanya, I guess. Siguro, kasi syempre paglalaban mo naman din talaga kung para sa'yo, hindi ba? I think, hindi lang ako pero yung audience, pag napanood nila si Jasmine or si Lavender, I'm sure mahahanap nila yung sarili nila sa kanilang parehong character or makaka-relate sila.
As they say, di ba, nothing is original anymore. So whenever we conceptualize with stories or narratives with the creative, nag-iisip kami na although it would follow, the narrative would follow the same formula, nag-infuse kami ng mga bagong elements the element of revenge is very much present in the narrative, that we don't deny. But how we presented, the characterization are different. All these characters are gray, no one is white. Even yung like Janine, no? She's playing a very negative role here. Pero maintindihan mo why she's going through that process of hurting people in the story, no? Tapos siguro first time din namin magpapakita na mga babae doing fight scenes, action sequences. Okay, imagine the wife, the legal wife, and the mistress. Instead na nagsasampalan they do mixed martial arts, no? And mahawak ng barel. No, and these are women who are very empowered. Okay? Yun, maraming pagkakaiba. I only discovered yung mga elements that were infused in the narrative as you watch it every night. And hopefully, makita na, yes, it's still the revenge story that we don't deny, but may mga bago tayong makikita doon sa kwento.
Kasi merong twist. Hindi lang isa yung for revenge. Lahat sila nagpapanggap. Kaya nga, from yung plug, yung concept ng plug is lahat may maskara. So lahat sila merong kanya-kanyang pagtatago in order to find the real truth.
The fact that you guys are all here in the cinema and you watch this with us, and hopefully you guys really enjoyed it. This is cinema quality kind of entertainment. We're bringing it to your homes via Netflix and all of these, stations, A to Z, Kapamilya Network, and everything. I'm very, very proud of the team, especially Jody, Janine, Sir Albert, Sir Edwin, sayang wala sila dito. Because what we bring out here in the show for every character is truth. If you're saying, napanood na namin yung Higante, napanood na namin yung ganyan, we have been playing characters for a very, very long time. We've been playing with these emotions for a very long time. And we proudly offer the truth in every character here sa show namin. That's why it's very refreshing to watch.
Siguro narinig na po ng lahat kung bakit nga talaga dapat panoorin ng Lavender Fields. And salamat. At para sa akin, ang isang biyahe ay hindi aandar kung hindi magtutulong-tulong ang lahat. Kaya dito makikita nyo kung paano kami hindi lang basta magkakatrabaho, kundi magkakapamilya talaga at pakiramdaman ang dating para maitakbo ang magandang storya.
Kaya maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong lahat. At syempre, sana pagpatuloy yung pagnood nyo para mas malaman ninyo kung ano talaga yung difference ng Lavender Fields.
Bilang isa ding manonood, basta show yan ni Ate Jody, papanoorin ko eh. Basta show ni Gerald, basta show ni Inay Maria, basta show ni Ate Jolas. Hindi mo na kailangan ikwento sa akin kung ano yung premise. Papanoorin at papanoorin ko talaga. So, sana kayo din po. And there's so many new exciting actors na aabangan dito. So, sabihan nyo na po yung mga kamag-anak nyo, mga kaibigan nyo, na watch party po tayo sa August 30 sa Netflix po. So, enjoy Lavender Fields. Sa inyo na po ito. Ilang araw na lang.
To our teams, thank you for being here. To the fans of the show, thank you for welcoming us again. To the staff of Lavender Fields, Hazel, and the rest of the gang, you guys are amazing. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Lalabas na kami. Aandar na sa Miss Maria. We go.
Magbo-bloom na.
Magbo-bloom na.
September 2.
Oh yeah.
Salamat po everyone for being here. Jody Natix, maraming salamat sa inyo sa as I would always say that it takes a village to be able to produce something great. So, this is a product of, parang collaboration po ito ng napakaraming talento, napakaraming utak, and we're just so proud and happy na mapapanood niyo na po finally ang Lavender Fields. Salamat po sa inyo. God bless you all.